From Diamond Select Toys, we have the Crow Rooftop PVC diorama showing the late great Brandon Lee, who of course died during the making of this film. Everybody knows that. But Crow stuff is always really cool to own, and I enjoy seeing it all come out. And I think Diamond Select is doing several Crow things. But this is the diorama that is available now. So we're going to pop him out the box, and we're going to take a good look at him. But this is definitely, I can already tell, a very cool piece from Diamond Select Toys. This is just one of those pieces I can already tell that's going to look great on the edge of a desk. Look at the details there. Looks just like him from the movie. We have the crow on the shoulder as well. Very cool with the details on the outfit. Like I said, this is the rooftop. But look at that. Now, who would not be a fan of this? Got details in the coat. The hair has great details. So yeah, this is what you're dealing with. Very cool sculpture work here from Diamond Select, which is never a surprise. But this may be, hands down, my favorite one out of these that they've done. Because look at that. That is just awesome work right there. And of course, it's an awesome movie if you have not seen it, which who hasn't seen it at this point. But yeah, on the edge of your desk, tell me you wouldn't like to have that sitting there or on a shelf or somewhere for display. But this is available now from Diamond Select Toys. Brandon Lee as the Crow. I think they're doing action figures as well. But until you get that, if it isn't already out, you have this you can get, which, well, it's got great detail everywhere from the boots on down. Just look at that face scan right there. That right there says it all for this. I believe this is a must-buy for sure. Pick it up now from Diamond Select Toys.